GoPro videos are always shaky, and stabilizers out there are too complex, heavy, and too big to be mounted anywhere. At Nuam Matter, we wanted to create a solution that was so convenient that it would become part of your camera. So we developed Quark, the world's smallest waterproof stabilizer for your GoPro that stabilizes your camera to keep it leveled and create amazing cinematic shots no matter what. Quark is so small that you don't need to remove your camera anymore. It becomes an extension of it, allowing you to mount it on the camera mounts you already have. Just turn it on with your camera and you are ready to go. Quark is a lot more than a stabilizer. It's a real tool with a built-in moving time-lapse feature. It brings a new way of creating content and empowering you to be more creative. Developed by engineers and athletes, we went through many iterations of prototypes to develop a product optimized for your camera. Together, let's start a new era in personal video making.
So we are now ready to bring that product to market, but we need your help. So back us today and help us transform the way you create content.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm a vlogger, motorcycle enthusiast, adventurer, and YouTuber. All of my vlogs are recorded with a GoPro camera, the best action camera out there. But there are a few components that this camera is missing in order to be perfect. High quality sound and a bigger battery capacity. To solve this issue, I purchased all the necessary accessories like an external mic, a GoPro adapter, and extra batteries. But the problem is, altogether it looks pretty messy and is quite dysfunctional. I searched online for a solution with little to no luck. Now there are some offering a GoPro vlog setup, but even those looked messy with hanging cables and no extra battery.
But the cage is key, because the cage gives you the ability to attach everything else to the GoPro.
This is absolutely insane. This is unacceptable.
And that's basically it. So
I needed a clean, easy solution and something that I could easily switch from action mode to vlog mode. And that's when I came up with an idea. Allow me to introduce you to VlogPRO, a multifunctional case with space for a GoPro mic adapter, mic mount for lightning or external display, a compartment for an extra battery, and a compartment door for securing the GoPro within the housing. It is well packed, light, and durable. And based on the design, no more messy hanging cables. The GoPro camera is easily detachable from the case, as well as being attached and ready for vlogging in less than 3 seconds. Thanks for watching, and with your help, we can turn this case into a reality.
I know you. You're one of those. You get up and you go. You go early and you go late. Midnight even. You go up, way up. You go on one wheel. You're such a go-getter. Wouldn't it be nice to never slow down, never leave the road, never stop? Get the perfect angle, don't slow down. Things change. Angles change. Find your angle on the move, never miss a shot. Pop, lock, and rock. Come on, stay on the shot. Just use one hand. Pan it, tilt it. Hey, try a different angle. You don't even have to be such a hero. Can you dance? Move. Change the angle on the fly. Nailed it. It's rattle-proof. Find a new angle. Find 56 angles. Ooh, I like that one. On the road, on the snow, or in the water. Follow the shot. Stay on it. "56 angles of awesome." Bundu.